Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you how I made this delicious fried rice. This is very easy to put together. So guys, let's get started. So into my pot, I went in with some vegetable oil. I allow it to hot a little. Then I went in with my nicely washed rice. I washed the rice with hot water and salt, and it was very clean. So after adding the rice, I have to fry this for 1 minute. Then I'm going to be adding my spices, which is salt, curry powder, thyme, and seasoning. So after adding the spices, so I'm going to fry this for extra 2 minutes. Yeah. And guys, if you're new here, thanks for clicking on this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch. I really do appreciate you all. So after frying my rice for 2 minutes, I went in with some chopped habanero pepper. Then I'm going to mix this together. So next I went in with my meat stock. I'm using beef stock, so you can as well use chicken or any protein of your choice, okay? So after adding my meat broth, I went in with some water that will be enough for the rice to cook. Then I'm just going to stir, then allow this to cook until it is soft, okay? So at this point, the rice is nicely cooked. So I'm going to stir together. Then I'm going to set it aside. So guys, into a pan, I went in with some vegetable oil. I'm going to be frying the beef that I cooked earlier. After I've cooked it, I just slice it into pieces. So I'm making use of beef. You can also make use of any protein of your choice. You can make use of liver, hot dog, chicken, any protein of your choice. But for today's recipe, I'm making use of beef. So I'm going to fry this. After frying the beef, I'm going to set it aside. The next thing is to go in with my chopped veggies. After adding the chopped green beans, I'm going to stir this for some minutes. Then I'm going to add in some chopped carrots. Then I'm going to stir together. So next I'm going to be adding my chopped green pepper and spring onions. So I went in with a little bit of seasoning and thyme. I'm going to stir this and fry for 1 to 2 minutes because I don't want my veggies to be too cooked. I want it crunchy, okay? So guys, if you have watched to this extent, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and also share, okay? So I went in with my fried beef. Then I'm going to just mix this together. Then I'm going to set it aside. So So now it's time to add the veggies and the rice together. So I added the veggies and I'm going to stir until everything is nicely combined. And guys, at this point, delicious fried rice is ready. And this was so easy to put together and it was so delicious. So if you are watched to this extent, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and also share. Please always like the video after watching, okay? It really helps. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. For now, bye guys.